Hi everyone, this is me Sarah. I hope you all guys are doing great. So let's start with something new. So let me discuss my problem today. So we are gonna sort something out. Yep, this is a problem. I have a lot of things, but I don't have holders to use them. And you can see what I'm using right now. It is basically a jar of cheese, and I'm using it as it is. I have not done anything, and this is a cup. And I'm so long I have designed this one, and now this is the final thing. It's a tin of chickpeas. I have taken out all the chickpeas because we have used it all, and this is the container I'm using it right now. So we are gonna solve all this problem, and we are gonna fix all things. So we'll start with the first thing and we'll go with the series. So this is the first one. Let's start. So let me tell you the things first. These are the acrylic paints which we are gonna use. These are sponge and some brushes, white acrylic paint, and let's go. We will start with a white acrylic paint by applying it with the help of sponge. Don't judge it right now, trust the entire process and watch till end for the outcome. Here is the second step. This is the shade of red which I'm using with white to make it a pink, but while I'm using it I feel like it's more lighter, so I thought to make it a little darker, and I used white color in less quantity and the pink, I mean the red one, in more, so it's a little bit dark now. Now we are going to use darkest pink for the design, and we are going to make some design as you like. What I'm making is in front of you. Don't judge it right now, wait for the final outcome. While I'm doing this, let me share something with you. This morning somebody said good morning, and I was like, what's so good about this morning, because my mood wasn't good. And I don't know, like, is it obvious to say good morning if your mood is not good? So you feel like, what's good? What's so good about this morning? Have you ever felt the same? Don't judge me, but this is exactly what was in my mind. But I couldn't say something, and I just replied, good morning. And we had a good talk, and this is what I'm doing always. And sometimes a person cannot express their feelings, but it's okay because this is world and we have to go with the flow. So with the flow we have finished this, but don't judge it right now, still it's not completed. These are the final touches we are gonna give it. So basically we are giving our design a border with color black, and well, there is also a question with this thing, that why we can use black color with all the colors. Always it goes with all. If maybe we are using hairs for some highlights, we use black color, and maybe with anything white we can take black as a combination, red, orange, yellow, everything we are using black. I don't know. If you have the answer, you can let me know in the comment section. And we are done. My color pencils have a beautiful holder now. These are the final results. I hope you all guys like it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.